All right, in this video we're going to be talking about the 5 segments everybody with an email list must have. If you don't have these segments inside your autoresponder, you're literally throwing money away. You are actively refusing money. So if you're not someone that's too involved in segmenting your email list, my hope is that by the time you're done watching this video, you're going to see how important it is to have at least these 5 segments inside your email autoresponder so that you can approach email marketing a little bit more strategically and increase your revenue as a result. Before I dive into the 5 segments, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and hit subscribe to my channel so that you get future videos, and it'll also give me a little bit of a boost in the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so the very first segment that you're going to want to put into your autoresponder is unengaged subscribers, and specifically people that have not opened an email from you in the last 10 emails. So they have received the last 10 emails from you, but they have not opened them. These are people that, for whatever reason, maybe they didn't follow the advice in your welcome email to add your email address or sender address to their whitelist, and so your emails are just ending up in their spam. Or it's possible that they gave you an incorrect email address, hot make instead of hotmail, or a Gmake instead of Gmail. They just typed it in incorrectly, and so they're not getting your emails. Or they just gave you a secondary email address that they don't use very often and that they don't check very often. But at any rate, they are not opening your emails, and they are hurting your open rates and hurting your deliverability. So segment them out. Try to re-engage them with a separate campaign. Maybe you can, try a special campaign just for them to try and get them to open up their emails. But after, 2 or 3 emails specifically to them to try and re-engage them, you should have a pretty good idea of whether or not they're going to become someone that opens up your emails and reads your content and clicks your links. If you can't re-engage them, I would just consider deleting them permanently from your autoresponder. They're not going to buy from you if they're not opening up your emails. So you're just wasting precious, if you're on a subscriber plan, you're wasting, subscribers that you could have that are opening up your emails. The next segment you want is the openers and non-clickers. These are people that are opening your emails, but they're not clicking your links. And a lot of the time, people aren't clicking your links simply because they don't trust what you're saying in your emails. They're reading your emails, but they're not inspired to click the link. And so my recommendation for getting them to click the link is really to just build more trust with them. Give them valuable content that will get them some results in advance. And you're going to want to hammer them with, things like testimonials, case studies, and a lot of proof that shows that the things that you're selling are actually work and it's actually valuable information. The next group are openers and clickers. These are people that open your emails and click your emails, but don't buy from you. And I'm going to talk a little bit about this in the next slide, but if people are opening your emails and they're clicking and they're not buying from you, these are your warmest, not your warmest, but they're your second warmest leads. These are the people that want to be a customer, but for some reason, either it's, the financial issues or self-doubt, whatever the reason, they can't bring themselves to actually buy the product that you're pitching them. And 9 times out of 10, what will do it will be simply adding an extra bonus to your offer. So if you're pitching an affiliate offer, for example, creating your own bonus that goes along with the affiliate product could be the thing that tips them over the edge. The 4th segment is just non-buyers and, unengaged people, openers and non-clickers, openers and clickers. They all fall into this segment. But, you want this segment, you you want this segment inside of your autoresponder because 80% of the emails that you send are going to be to this segment of your list, to the non-buyers. You're going to be sending them low ticket offers or front end offers to really try and entice them to join your buyers list. And the thing about, your non-buyers list is the more you segment into openers and clickers and openers and non-clickers, the more you can tailor your individual campaigns to those segments to turn your non-buyers into buyers. And obviously, finally, the last segment is your buyers list. These are your most valuable asset. You want to keep these people happy. You want to keep providing them with valuable content, and you want to continue to promote offers to them that maybe are a little bit higher ticket and can get you some bigger commissions or get you just a little bit more profit on your bottom line. Your buyers are your most valuable asset, and one buyer is better than 10 non-buyers. A good way to build a buyers list, in my opinion, is to promote lower ticket offers. Anything that's under $20, just to get people into your buyers funnel. And just so you know that there are people that are going to spend money with you. It's a good tactic to get get them into your buyers funnel with a low ticket offer and with something that you can just start building that buyers list right away. So those are the 5 segments you must have in your email list if you want to accelerate your profits and grow your revenue month over month. And my advice would be to specifically focus on the openers and non-clickers and the openers and clickers, and send each of those segments that are in your non-buyers list, send each of those segments tailored campaigns to get them, clicking on your links and purchasing your products. So that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so that you get more content just like this.